YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are here with a Dollar Tree haul. This is it's a small haul, but I enjoyed it, and I think that you guys might too. So we'll get started. I picked up 2 packs of these pink pearls. They are beautiful. They're kind of like a purple pink, very pretty. Picked up 2 packs. Whoop, 2 packs of these. Let me just find that other pack. Or maybe I only picked up 1. Okay, so I only picked up 1 of these. Very pretty. I love these. They're already popped up for you, so you can use them in your mini albums and whatever other projects like cards, folios, you know, anything really. Then I got another set. This one I picked up 2 of, and they're beautiful. They're also popped up, so you could save a lot on foam tape when they're already popped up like that. Then I picked up these 2. Yeah, these 2, and they are gorgeous. I love them, love them. Some are popped up and some aren't on that one. Then I picked up these 2. I got 2 of each because my mom makes cards and I make mini albums, so you know, you gotta supply everybody. And these are gorgeous. Okay. And believe it or not, I found some Heidi swap. So there was only 3. I picked up all 3. This one, it says Unforgettable, Here and Now. This one is like, remember this, save the date. There's a hand with a little bow. I guess that's a play symbol. And then you are here. And then these are the bigger ones, and I got 2 of those. I think those are cute. Then I got these 2 Heidi swaps. And, oh, I guess I got all 4 the same. I was all excited to get Heidi swap at the Dollar Tree. I was shocked. And then I got a pack of planner stickers, because I am a planner girl. And they are different on the front and the back, it looks like, which is nice. Very, very cute. Then I got a pack of these. This says Family, Home Sweet Home, Dad, Our Family, All Together, Mom, Brother, Sister, Grandma, and Grandpa. Isn't that cool? They're like chalkboard. I love those. Let's see what else. Well, I got these real pretty stamps. Let's see, there are Hampton Art stamps. I love the flowers. These are all made so that you can color them. Very, very pretty. Oh, I got 2 planners, sticker sets. Oh, here's that other one. So I did have another one. This is that other one I was telling you about and showing you. And then I got 2 of these. Very, very pretty. Then I found these 2 pins. I was trying to find 3, but I only got to pick 2 because that's all they had left. So I just snatched them up. I love how these write. That's why I went on ahead and bought some more. Then I got this little spinner tool and put my pins in there like so. And then shipping mailers, because I'm finding I'm sending a lot of stuff to people, so I picked up the mailers. That was our Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found something in this haul that you might want to go get yourself, and if not, maybe you just found it fun. Thank you for watching, and have a great one. Bye.